Hello everyone, welcome to the Ashworth Wealth Weekly Market Update. My name is Todd McChesney. I'll be covering this week's market slide for you. This slide shows that headline inflation rose 0.4% month over month and 3.7% year over year in September. Part of that is due to higher energy prices, with gasoline CPI component rising 2.1% month over month and 3% year over year. This could be some good news though, because this week's chart shows that even with this going on, daily gasoline prices, the WT crude oil prices, and the spread between the two, which reflects taxes, distribution costs, and most importantly refining margins, aren't as bad as we thought. Last month the crude oil price rose to its highest level year to date. However, refining margins actually trended downwards, which softens the impact of higher crude prices at the gas pump. We believe that reflects a recovery in the U.S. and global refining activity and relatively soft U.S. gasoline demand in September. As a general rule, we tend to see that gasoline prices do remain high during the summer, then they go down in the fall and the winter, etc., mainly due to demand. But even with the current Middle East turmoil, oil prices have now fallen to their September peaks. So we feel like this is going to be good news for those that are watching what the Fed is doing. This downward trend in gasoline prices may actually continue through October and November, and hopefully through the end of the year, which should help reduce CPI inflation over the next 2 months, discourages the Fed from making any further rate hikes, and sets the stage for even some modest reductions in both inflation and interest rates in 2024. One other quick thing we wanted to cover this week: many of you probably heard this week that Social Security is getting an increase of 3.2% for 2024. Now it's a lot lower than it was this time last year. Everybody got an 8.7% increase in 2023. But with inflation kind of getting a little bit under control, the increase for 2024 of your Social Security check is going to be 3.2%. We will see what happens with that if inflation continues to kind of reduce a little bit, but we think it does look good going forward. As usual, if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our office. You can forward this to any family or friends. Just a quick reminder that in this Thursday, the 19th at noon Mountain Time, we'll be doing our year-end tax planning webinar, kind of explaining some year-end tax ideas that people can be doing. For those of you who may want to look at some of these ideas, please reach out to us. If you haven't received that link, reach out to our office and we'll get that forwarded to you. And we'll look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.